Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to check the battery status on the iPhone. That it is to know its percentage of charge. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do that, we're gonna go into settings. Then we're gonna scroll down here and open up a tab called battery. Then we're gonna scroll down and open up this setting. As you can see at the top, we have a percentage. I had 96. You can have 100%. Some people have less, some people have more. So you can find out and check the state of your battery in percent. It's right up here at the top. You can do it on any iPhone. You can do it on an iPad. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all again. Bye, everybody.